you. So today I'm going to teach you right on how to create the regression table, right? And then at the same time also I'm going to explain to you on how to interpret the ANOVA table, right? So let's open for Excel first. So this is the same information that last time we discussed in class. So this is the information of a sales of headscarf that consists of information of customer income and also the sales. So as I said before, we should remember which one the independent variables and which one the dependence variable, right? So we want to see either this independence variable affected or having the relationship with dependent variables or not, right? So for now, as you can see, this is the information. So how to create the table, right? First of all, you have to go to this data tab, right? After that, you just click this data analysis, okay? And then you can see this analysis tools. There is so many. So we will go to the regressions, right? Regression. So we press and or click OK. Okay. So actually this information appear because I did the table before, so I will show you again. So for the Y range is our dependence variable data, right, or informations, and another one for X range is for our independence variable. So we know that income information is X, right, which is independent variables, and then sales or Y represent the dependence variable. So we'll put the information of dependence variable first, so which is this one, sale, right? So you just highlight all, you can select all whatever you like, right? So you put here, right? Not this one. Okay, you put here, and then we just highlight all this information of sales, right? Then after that, same goes to the income. All right, so same thing. All right. So you can take the label also, right? For the confident level, you may take or you may not. It's upon you. All right, let's put I just what is it, leave it, right? And then we see the output option. This one is for which worksheet that you want to the information appear, right? So let's suppose if we choose this new worksheet, so it will goes to the another worksheet. So let's suppose we want to remain the same worksheet, right? So we just press this one output range, and then we just choose which cells that we want to put the information. Let's suppose right, I choose uh, G33, right? So after that, I just press OK. So as you notice, right? So this is the information of, right, of what, of of ANOVA table, right, for regressions. So as you can see here, the information that important that you have to interpret is this one, so, R square, right? I will highlight for you. Okay, and then ANOVA, you will see this one. You have to mention this one also, right? But like I said, in our lesson just now, right? So you have to interpret this one, all right? So just assume that alpha is 0.05, all right? So so then our this one is our p value or significant f. So as you can see here, there is a E negative on this value. So it's mean that the value is less than 0.05, right? Okay, so you have to remember that, right? Okay, if p value less than, right, less than alpha, all right, less than alpha, which is 0.05, then does we what we will we will reject, all right, reject the none. Okay, if p value is more than, it's more than 0.05, so we do not reject the none. Okay, so since this what you can say, this value is less than 0.05, then we should reject the none. Okay, so what does it mean? So it's mean that, right, so for r square, right, to interpret the r square, right, approximately, right, how much percent, 90, right, 90%, right, 90% of sales, all right, is explained by what, customer, right, income, right. So it's mean apa, it's mean that the customer income has the significant relationship towards sales. So means that if the customer income increase, so our sales also will increase. Okay, and then one more for coefficient. So you have to look out on this four tables. So as long as the four table doesn't have what you can say, zero value, mean the standalone zero value, so you can consider the coefficient is significant. So how to answer for coefficient, right? The coefficient, right, interval does not include zero, right? So therefore we can conclude that, right, the coefficient are statistically significant, right? So perhaps the explanation which I give to you can help you to answer, can say, the final test that we will done by next week, right? So as long as you remember these three information, you're able to interpret on how to read these three information, so you will know how to um, answer the question. But don't forget, right, as you can see, if the only one independent variable, so it's mean simple linear regression, right? So that's all from me. Perhaps they are giving you some information or benefit, right, from this video. So thank you. Perhaps all of you can have a better understanding, right, about this topic. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.